Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making a blueberry breakfast cake. It might be called a breakfast cake, but quite frankly, you could eat this at any time of the day. So let's rename it. It's a blueberry anytime cake. It is part caflouti, which is sort of like a custardy flan-like dessert that they would have in France, and part Dutch baby. Do you remember when I made that? Easy to make in the oven. The egg is what provides a lot of that leavening that happens and that richness, and it's going to be custardy delicious. We're also making it because, like sweet blueberry blues, I ate a bite of you, and it was clear to see you were my destiny. There's no going back on this. We gotta bake, and that is enough. Blueberry cake is all we need to get by. Get by? We're gonna eat it. Let's be clear. First thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second thing you want to do is to go ahead and grease your 8-inch pan. 3 large eggs, half a cup and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to beat this together until it has a nice light color. You're looking for it to be slightly thick and a light yellow color. That's perfect. Add 6 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. 1 cup ricotta cheese. 1 cup sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or paste. Mix together. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon salt. 1 1/4 teaspoons baking powder. Mix again. Mix until just combined. Pour all the batter into your round cake pan or your springform pan, which I am doing. 1 1/2 cups of blueberries. Scatter on top. It's about 1 full pint. Just like a Dutch baby, this is going to cook in the oven for a while, so we're going to bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes, given that I have fresh blueberries. If you have frozen berries, cook for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes longer. Should be jiggly in the center, but sort of set on the outside. Also, because my springform pan is bigger than the 8 inches that it's called for in the recipe, I'm going to check on it at about 35 minutes. So do the same if you've also done, like me, and you have a slightly larger pan. I've been checking on it. I think it's ready. Let's take a look. It is lightly browned around the edges, and you'll also see that it is slightly jiggly when I shake it. See? That's exactly what we want. I'm going to take it out, let it rest and set for about 30 minutes, and then we'll take it out. It has been a half hour. Let's take this off. Look at that. Yum. Let's move it over to a platter. Feels great, nicely set. You can sprinkle confection or sugar on top like what I'm going to do, or you can sprinkle some cinnamon, but I think the confection or sugar will be delicious. Yum, 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 yum. That's all I have to say. It is nicely set. Look at that. Perfect. Did you see how easily that came out? Thumbs up. Look at all those delicious blueberries. Oh my. This is going to be delicious. Let's taste it. Mmm. Yum. You know, I'm not quite sure. I think I'm going to have to try it again. This is exactly like a flan and a Dutch baby met and then had a baby, which is this blueberry breakfast cake. That's exactly what this tastes like. It is coarser than a flan because you know flan is very custardy and smooth throughout, like a creme caramel. And a Dutch baby has a little bit more bite and texture to it, and this is somewhere in between them both. It is utterly delicious. Breakfast cake? Huh! This is an anytime cake. Oh yeah. If I can make this delicious blueberry anytime cake with you watching me, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. So much more to come. Let me know your suggestions for recipes to try and those songs. I'm waiting.